To the silence. Free. No. Us.
One. Go. Go. One. Go. Go. One.
Hey. Show. The. Us.
One. Go. Go. One.
Oh. The. Us.
One. Go. Go. One.
I, Senior Under Officer Elijah George Osu Taylor. May I have your permission for inspection?
Yes, Calapart. Okay, Tana. The expression of God of Allah by the permanent dignitaries. Calapati. Rahel Tana.
Pray. Up. Yay. Us.
One. Go. Go. One. Go. Go. One.
Stand at ease.
Inspection is over. So we are going to continue the program as we invite the school choir to give us serious, great performance this morning as we proceed. So let's invite the school choir. Let's put our hands together for them.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am here to introduce the chairperson for today's program, the Director of Education, the head teacher, teachers, parents, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. You are all warmly welcome to this August occasion. God is the author and finisher of our faith, and so we humbly welcome the Holy Spirit to come and take his place. For an occasion like this, we need someone who will steer the affairs and ensure that the program becomes successful. The chairman for this the chairman for this resounding occasion is a parent and a financial manager for Taka Goldfields Ghana Limited. The chairperson has been of tremendous help to the school, and today, as usual, he is here to see to the success of this program. With a round of applause, let us welcome our chairman in the person of Mr. Kwesi Okai Mason.
Let's put them together. Let's put them together.
Mr. Chairman, your audience, your chairman. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Chairman. We have the Municipal Director of Education, Mr. Agri Forson, of Tokyo Inside Municipal Assembly. Let's put them together for him. Mr. Alex Obo Simpson, SMC Chairman. We have the Asari Mema Green Compound, the Saman Kakraba electoral area, but he can't make it, so someone will be here to stand in for him. We have the Chief Medical Officer, Iroke Gas. So, at this point in time, we invite the chairman to give his remarks.
Morning, everyone. Municipal Director of Education, the head teachers, JHS in primary, teachers, parents, students, ladies and gentlemen. I'm indeed honored to be called upon to chair this very important occasion. I must say that I've always been happy to be part of Goldfields. Apart from the fact that I went to Goldfields, I'm also preparing for one of the students that we have. And it gladdens my heart that you've called me to chair this occasion. It's my fervent prayer that the whole team, including the dignitaries, will help me to steer the affairs of this program so that everything will go on successfully. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.
Thank you, Chairman. We have Master Emmanuel Gedo, the presiding member of Tokyo Israel Municipal Assembly. Let's put our hands together for him. So, as Chairman has done, giving us the remarks, we are going to welcome the head teacher to give us the welcome address in the person of Master Douglas Conley. Please, let's put our hands together for the head teacher of Tokyo Goldfields JHS, Mr. Barry.
Thank you very much, MC and OOMC. So, Mr. Chairman, who also double as the PTA chairman for the JHS department, our director, Mr. Agri Forson, the Director for Ghana Education Service, Tapa in Swayim Municipality, the presiding member for Tapa in Swayim Assembly, Honorable Emmanuel Gado, who is also the head teacher, colleague in the business, the headmistress, who also double as the chairperson for Head Teachers Association, Tapa in Swayim, parents, teachers, graduates, and incoming prefects. Good morning to all of you. I am very, really delighted for this very opportunity to meet here again. I remember it happened like this last year to celebrate the passing out and handing over ceremony of the final year group of the 2022 batch. Mr. Chairman, this program is very important on the school's calendar because it affords all of us here gathered the opportunity, including even the people, to appreciate ourselves and to draw to attention that levels have changed after this month. That these people we celebrate today are no longer to be seen and addressed as the people again. They won't be called peoples again. In no time, they will be addressed and called students. It is an occasion to help remind them that going forward, their task will be more demanding than they used to have it. Even in the area of seating, from this time to go, they won't be sitting in the very dual and hexagonal dexes as they had been before. Now, they will be given the opportunity to be using monodexes. Most importantly, to get them to appreciate that. Playtime will now be more shorter, and time for business will be more. Mr. Chairman, we have to use this very opportunity as well to appreciate ourselves and to recount the journey we have made so far, both our success stories and the very unpalatable ones. As teachers, as parents, and as peoples, we all have stories to tell. I therefore wish to salute all and sundry who have contributed and have supported the school, and especially the people we celebrate today. A special mention is to Goldfields Ghana Limited, Tapa Mine. You've been there, you've been very supportive all this while. Sincerely, we want to use this opportunity to be very grateful to you, Goldfields. I think that Goldfields needs that we applaud them. Shall we give them a hand of applause? Because on the land we sit, all the infrastructure we see is from Goldfields Ghana Limited. We will have to be very grateful to JHS office Tapa in Swayim and through the municipal director for the many times they have provided the school with teachers, the supervision, the cooperation, and all the others. I am thankful to you, the SMC, especially the SMC chairman, who have been with us, and you have always been there for us. Mr. Obosemsi, we are sincerely grateful. The PTA chairman who chairs the occasion today, sincerely, yourself and your executives, we want to thank you, and thank you so much. I thank all parents who are here today and who have helped us this far. I am grateful to you, teachers, as well, and especially you, the head mistress, Madam Phyllis Ahalija, for your support and your availability. At this very juncture, I wish to mention for your note, Mr. Chairman, and your attention, that Oliver asks for more, in spite of all that has happened, and especially you parents to note that there are challenges that are hurting the school quality performance. That is damning and threatening. And even as we welcome all of you, I use this opportunity to draw your attention and beg of your action. If not immediately, very soon. Inadequate infrastructure. Mr. Chairman, thankfully, you're already aware and you are in the known of how serious this overpopulation is bedeviling the school. At your office, the office of the SMC, have all done so much into trying to resolve this issue. Myself and my counterpart had inherited a very large enrollment of the school, and now it is becoming more heterogeneous. It is prayed to you, Mr. Chairman, that if this is not resolved before the 2023 academic year, it has a tendency to create a very uncomfortable and unhealthy atmosphere in the school and around the school environment, Mr. Chairman, which includes your very environment as well. The numbers are very large. Efforts are put in place to reduce these numbers from the very start, from the crèche to the lower primary. Our numbers are manageable. From the upper primary to the JHS, until these levels are phased out, we seriously bedevil with this challenge. It is affecting quality interaction in the classrooms. A teacher standing before 60, 70 people makes the level of interaction very minimal. It is breeding a lot of unhealthy attitude among the children because there are so many in the class. Mr. Chairman, I also wish to bring to your attention that the ICT lab needs attention. And I know you are working on it. And very soon, we look forward to receive a gratifying response. The use of projectors are no longer a luxury to any good school. It is very necessary because they aid teaching and learning. It makes understanding easier and better because of their nature, as they are called audio-visual. Children are able to interact, they see, they feel, and they touch. It won't be a luxury as we ask for projectors to help reduce and make presentation more lively and more successful. I wish also to request of you, all parents gathered here, that just as you have done over the years, please find interest and be keen about this, especially at this level of your world's education. For it is believed that the foundation of a building will determine how long and what conditions the building will survive. That is to say, how the children are supported and empowered at this stage of their learning, show how long they will survive and travel on the academic calendar. Today, many parents get so excited with the National Science and Maths quiz. Let me be humble to remind all of you parents that it starts here. Mr. Chairman, the theme for today's occasion is 50 years of our existence, consolidating in our gains. For the works, that we have inherited. However, and when we join in, Goldfields School had made its name already. This is our time to all put all efforts to ensure that we consolidate, that after 50 or at 50, we still have values to preserve, names to maintain, levels to grow to. I want to remind our candidate that next year, when the school shall climax the 50th anniversary, it shall be your results that will be projected here and be discussed. I pray you will make the school proud when we have met here again next year. I wish to use the opportunity to thank all teachers who have given time and energy to ensuring that today we bring these children this far and we are here to pass them on. And to all of you graduates, I say Ayiku. For all of you incoming, newly elected school prefects, you are welcome. Mr. Chairman, all other leaders and executive and protocol duly acknowledged. You are once again welcomed. I pray you find the time and the patience to travel with us as we bring this program through. I thank you.
Please let's put a hand together for the health teacher of Peppergo from JHS.
So, with a round of applause, shall we call upon Mr. Douglas Colover?
Thank you very much, Abigail. So, Mr. Chairman, just as I said earlier, last year, the school presented 117 candidates at a time like this. It is gratifying to note that we had 100% pass. When we talk about 100% in Goldfields Schools Complex, it doesn't enthuse us in any way because it is not for 100% we look for. We look for 100% that are graces in the aggregate. So I mentioned that out of the 117, those who are between grade 6 and grade 9 single digits, we had about 57 of them. From grade 10 to grade 13, we had about 40 of them.
Please put your hands together.
Unfortunately, when we had decided to bring everybody under the shelf of 18, somebody just decided to jump and got grade 24. He decided to get to grade 24. So unfortunately, we mentioned that, and we mentioned that with a heavy heart, that it wasn't our expectation. But it happened. And so even as we acknowledge the one we did well, we also want to mention that we ended in grade 24 with one person out of the 117. Today, with your kind permission, Mr. Chairman, I present to you 135 candidates. 135 candidates who have come this far by grace and determination. I am confident to say that they are ready and they are poised for action. And with God, who has always been our side, these ones too shall do very well. You are not happy about it yourself. I also do, with your kind permission, ask of you, Mr. Chairman, to present to all individuals of them gathered here certificates as having enrolled in the school and have successfully completed this in this school and that are very fit and should be recognized and called from the month of November as GOSAT. This very badge worked under the leadership, able leadership of a Pretoria Board of 34, with Master Emmanuel Mensah as the senior boys prefect, Nana Amakusi Apia as the senior girls prefect, Ellis Ahen as the boys assistant prefect, Leonora Sapon as assistant girls prefect, with 28 more serving as both compound, protocol, and other prefects. With your permission, Mr. Chairman, I present to you the graduates and the candidates who are ready. I am saying they are ready because after they had interrupted with a trained counselor yesterday, I am sure that they have been properly sized to be able to put together learning and activities so that by next 2 weeks, they will be writing their exams. So I present you. Please walk in, prefects. Kindly walk in to represent your members, to be presented to the chairman and the high table. Walk in, prefect. Shall we continue acknowledging our prefects? Let's continue. All of them, all the prefects, all the prefects, all the prefects.
All the prefects.
So you face. All right, so stand here. The four of you stand, all of them. No, face the high table.
Knowledge is what is our motto. God bless Goldfields schools complex, our hopes and aspiration. The shaper of our future, the shaper of our future. Knowledge is what is our motto.
Thank you very much. So, Mr. Chairman, they represent the 135 students we are to acknowledge and grant them the opportunity to be called. That persons who have enrolled in the school and have successfully passed through the school and have passed out. Today, we pass them out. And with your permission, I am sure by the numbers and because of the time, I would request of you to certify the leadership for now. Before the vote of thanks, all of them, I don't know if we have the time, so that we can certify all of them. Their certificates are in, but maybe for the space of time, we'll call on you, the director and the chairman, to do us the honors by giving their certificates to them. But before the program go to the close, we will definitely give their certificate, every other person's certificate to them, so that we can equally introduce to you the newly elected leaders for their handing over ceremony. Thank you very much, Chairman. So if the prefect certificates are in, do we have our certificates? Yes, can we have the certificate? So the chairman shall do for the first 8. We'll call on the director to do for the second 8. The SMC will do for the rest of the prefect. After which, Honorable and others will do. So we'll start with you, the senior boys prefect, Master Emmanuel Mensah. Chairman, please, you kindly come forward and do the presentation for us.
Prefect. Nanama. Boys prefect, assistant. Let's iron. Boys. Assistant girls prefect. Elizabeth Ogo. Compound of it. Edwin. Edwin. We have Boham. Mark Esuma. Got a director of education. The next Precious Divine Mensah. Precious Divine Mensah. Protocol Prefect Girls. Kevin Fujo. Protocol Boys. Kevin Fujo. Protocol Boys. Stephanie Selby. Stephanie Selby. Stephanie Selby. Language Prefect. Radimene Iraga Wilson. Radimene Iraga Wilson. Matilda McClare, Sport Prefects, Girls. Matilda McClare, Sport Prefect, Girls. Sport Prefect, Boys. Benedict. Okay. Herbert Mensah, appear. Blessing Boati Mensah. Blessing Boati Mensah. We have Peter and Kobina. Peter and Kobina. Yes. Yes. We invite the SMC chairman, Mr. Abo Simpson, Employees Relations Manager, Goldfields Ghana Limited, top of mind, to continue. Benedict Dakwa, Sport Prefect Boys. As 2 boys prefects. Kevin Enum Kofi. Kevin Enum Kofi. Teria Asampa Techi. We have Harry Asante. Harry Asante. Edwin Ayensu. Edwin Ayensu. We have Irene Asante Ocho. We have Pascaline Jenfi as prefect. And we have Esmeralda Yamal. Esmeralda Yamal. Thank you, Chairman.
Now the cadets, please march fast.
Right.